Breaking news from Washington. President Trump speaking about trade talks and stocks. Let's go to Eamon Javers at the White House. Eamon?
Yeah, Scott, that's right. The president just talking on the South Lawn a few moments ago. But even more news between then and now. The Wall Street Journal popping a story just in the past couple of moments, quoting Eric Trump about the Trump Organization, saying that the Trump Organization is exploring a sale of the rights to the company's opulent Washington, D.C. hotel, that Trump Hotel on Pennsylvania Avenue that's become such a focal point for lobbyists and influence peddlers in this town, all hoping to get the ear of Trump administration officials who do congregate and socialize in the restaurant and the bar of that hotel. Now Eric Trump telling the Wall Street Journal that they have hired the real estate firm JLL to market the Trump International Hotel. Interesting point here in the Journal article on this, saying that the company is hoping to fetch more than $500 million for the lease rights. The Journal says that would make the sale of one of the highest priced hotel deals ever by this popular industry valuation metric. So a high price there for the Trump Hotel on Pennsylvania Avenue. They are citing in part ethics concerns. A lot of criticism of the Trump Organization for profiting from the president's presidency by owning that hotel right on Pennsylvania Avenue. Now it looks like Eric Trump may be willing to wash his hands of it. Meanwhile, the president, as you say, talking to reporters on the South Lawn, touting the S&P in record territory. The first remarks out of his mouth were about the stock market and how well it's doing. The president making the argument that that's just one of the many reasons why he shouldn't be impeached. He's saying he's doing a good job for the U.S. economy. I asked the president if he agreed with Vice President Pence, who said yesterday that America stands with the protesters in Hong Kong who are protesting against the Beijing government. The president said he knows that the vice president made that speech yesterday. He said the speech was fine, but I pressed the president on that. Does America stand with the protesters in Hong Kong? The president didn't say yes there, so maybe not willing to go quite as far as the vice president went yesterday in criticizing the Beijing government standing with the Hong Kong protesters. That's something that's of enormous sensitivity, Scott, as the U.S. is negotiating that giant trade deal with the Chinese.
Yeah.